In this video, you'll learn how to remove facial verification in Binance. This process involves navigating through your account settings and managing your security options effectively. Begin by visiting the Binance website and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu and then select Profile to access your account settings. After entering the profile settings, look for the Security tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Security to display various security options related to your account. Here, you will find the facial verification settings. Take a moment to review your current verification status to understand what changes you may need to make. Next, locate the section that allows you to manage or update verification options. You will see a button or link labeled Manage Verification or Update Verification. Click on this option to proceed with the request to change your verification settings. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully as you may be required to complete an identity confirmation process. It is important to note that the removal of facial verification may not be immediate. Avoid making repeated requests as this could lead to delays or complications in processing your request. Carefully submit the request once you have completed all necessary steps, as this will initiate the change in your verification status. After submitting your request, you will need to wait for confirmation from Binance. Keep an eye on your account notifications for any updates regarding your security settings. Once you receive confirmation, review the updated security settings to ensure everything is in order. It is advisable to enable alternative protection methods to keep your account secure while facial verification is being removed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.